Good morning, everybody. I'm going to do my sound check first. It's Ruthie Rocks, Ruthie Allbrand, bringing you show number 706. I think it's 707. I think I made a mistake. But anyway, we're up there, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Let me see if you can hear me. Yeah, okay. Cool. Great day in the morning, isn't it? I didn't do my walk today. I walked outside and I thought, I think it's too cold. So I didn't do it. And I'm trying to order a treadmill, and the one that I want had a recall. So I have to wait, which I didn't want to do, but that's the way life is sometimes. And we are off to a roaring start today. What's going on in our market? We went down to 25 days of inventory. And of course, as I've been telling you, I think that's because people were taking their, not relisting or re-upping or not listing at all during the holidays. So hopefully that will change soon. We did list 78 homes, though. I mean, that's not too bad. We closed 96. We have 601 homes that are under 400 and under on the market. And we did list 28 yesterday, so that's not too bad. We sold 70, I mean, we closed 96 homes yesterday. That's pretty good, everybody. That's really good. We're right on pace at 124 sales a day. Not and if you notice, the non-owner occupieds went up by 1.5, and I think because the investors toward the end of the year, they pull their money out of the stock market and they buy homes, especially now because of inflation. And we're going to get into that a little bit because Brian Buffini mentioned that on the bold predictions. So not too much else. I mean, the $1 million plus homes are still selling 4.5 a day. Single family homes, 421,000, medium price. We're a little bit behind last December, but like I said, not by much. 8 homes, not a big deal. Okay.